Hello, evermore. Hello, everyone. Hello, everybody. Good morning to you. I brought baby girl out here earlier, just a couple of minutes ago, and there's something out here making. Yeah, we're in my front yard. It's dark. Yeah, there's my light. Yay! And there's something out here in the woods. Y'all hear the frogs? I don't know if you can hear them. Anyway, I was hearing something out here I ain't ever heard before. It wasn't a deer. I came back in the house to get my phone to try to take a video of it. Anyway, can y'all hear the frogs? That's because of that pond over there. Can y'all hear them? Yeah, they're pretty loud. I don't know if the phone could pick it up, but anyway. Yeah, getting ready to go to work. I thought I'd get on here for a couple of minutes and I was gonna try to get that noise. I don't know what that was. Something's got my camera all messed up. All blurry. Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna close this one up. Might as well post it, huh? Yeah. Alright, well, since I'm gonna post it, y'all have a safe day out there today, and I'll catch y'all the next one. Bye, y'all.